Assalamu alaikum everybody. Hello everybody, I'm back again. Since I've been to umrah, I just feel a bit lost, to be honest. I'm just getting back into it again, guys. I hope everyone's alright and keeping safe. Just off to Boots, guys, to get some skincare. Outfit of the day: a long shirt, leather jacket, leather bag and some black shoes, guys. Keeping it nice and simple and casual. Guys, just went to Boots to get a few items. This is the bag I got. How beautiful. It's like a gift bag. I just went to get this Epic incliner and this Control Freak. That sounds weird, but yeah, it's just an eyebrow gel. And I got a freebie because I spent £15. I got NYX professional makeup bag that you put around your waist. So it's like, see, you put that around your waist. Let's see what's in there, guys. Sorry, I'm just using one hand here. Okay. So there's another makeup bag in there. You're worth it. Nice pink bag. Okay, that would be good. Let's see what else is in there. Okay, what's this? NYX Angel Primer Base. So there you go. That's nice. A scrunchie. Oh god, where's my scrunchie going? Yeah, scrunchie. Okay, salt one. That's good. You can never have too many. Oh, another scrunchie. Why do I need two scrunchies? I know I've got long hair, but I don't need two scrunchies. Oh, that's it. I thought it'd be more than that, guys. See, there's always a catch. I thought she said to me, oh, you got quite a lot of makeup products in there, but it's two scrunchies. Why do I need two scrunchies? One was enough, but beggars can't be choosy, I suppose. At least I get a nice gold bag out of it. I'm not going to use this anywhere else, but it's nice to have at home just for storage. I thought I'd share this with you guys. There's a big sale on Boots at the moment. Number 7 and all their products if anyone's interested. I just received a delivery, guys, and I haven't ordered anything, so that's going to be interesting to see what's in here. Let's open it. Okay, the Homemade Brownie Company. Okay, I hope this is gluten-free. Let's have a look. Okay, we can read this. Apple crumble, orange, cranberry. Okay, let's have a look. It doesn't say gluten-free anywhere. Let's have a look. And who's sent it to me? Okay, as you can see, sorry my bunged up, guys, I've got a bit of a flu. Get 15% off your next order. Okay, I didn't even know about this, guys. It's not promoted or anything. Let's have a look. Guys, my friend sent these. My friend Asma, oh bless her. Oh, this is all gluten-free, guys. Look, it's got no wheat flour in there at all. They're all gluten-free. Oh my god, I'm gonna get fat. I want to be the size of this house soon. Let's have a look. Oh my god, guys, they're homemade as well. How nice do they look? Wow, it's salted caramel, chocolate orange. It's got Snickers in there, triple chocolate. Wow, god, how nice do these look, guys? Oh my god, I'm in trouble. I really am in trouble. These look delicious. Oh, thank you so much, Asma. Oh, she's one of my bestest friends, bless her. I think I'll come back from umrah as well. I think she didn't get a chance to come, so she just wanted to send me something. That's lovely, isn't it? What a lovely thought. Thank you, Asma. at home now, cozy evening at home on my evening off. This is the best time of the day really for me. I love cooking. I'm just cooking some koftas, chicken koftas. I'm sure everybody knows how to make them, but if everybody does want to know step-by-step guide, just comment below, guys. I'll try to do a video, separate video of how to make them. Look, Boo. Are you full today? You're gonna be full.
Vês, bro.
Whoa!
Everything in this world is temporary. Life changes, people come and go, and seasons never last. So no matter what you're going through right now, always remember that your present situation is not your final destination. Don't give up, put your hope in God, and you will overcome it all.
I found this amazing bargain at Denelms. It's a mattress topper, guys. It was £35 and I got it for £15. Super soft, super hotel-like bedding, guys. I would definitely recommend this. It's teddy material and it's like really soft, guys. It's like obviously walking on the clouds or sleeping on the clouds. But yeah, amazing. Definitely recommend. This is how it looks on. This is the mattress topper. It's really soft. Look, it's really soft. And this is the mattress protector underneath. So I've got two on. So this is the mattress protector, this one. And this one is the mattress topper. And trust me, everyone, if you want a hotel-like sleep, it's so soft and so comfortable. So I would definitely recommend it. So I've got a mattress protector on, and this is a mattress topper. It's soft and it feels like you're sleeping on a cloud. Seriously, guys, I would definitely recommend this. Definitely, if you want that hotel style comfortable bed. I'm just cooking some chicken and spinach right now. Spinach is my favourite. I love spinach, guys. It's good because I've got celiac disease as well. I'm gluten free, so I don't have the vitamins that I should be having for regular foods. So obviously spinach is a good source of fibre, iron as well. It's got loads of vitamins and it's a greeny vegetable, so you know, all rounder. It's really good for you. It's good for your heart, for your eye health as well, guys. So do include spinach in your diets regularly. I love it. It's my favourite, and it tastes delicious. You can make milkshakes out of it, a smoothie, anything you want, a curry, whatever you want really. There's so many different ways you can use spinach in your diet on a daily basis. I was also craving some green chutney, guys, so I thought I'll quickly make it. It's simple, easy in your NutriBullet. Just put all the ingredients you want and just obviously some coriander, tomato, chili, whatever you want. And this is my gluten-free chapati as well. Now I'm enjoying it, relaxing and enjoying it and watching a bit of telly as always. My favourite thing to do in the evenings to unwind. Happy birthday to you.
Very nice, very nice.
Looks nice in there. Yes.
Black one, the black one.
What are you doing, boys?
Okay, kids, you can't have candy for breakfast, but you can sprinkle some on your cereal.
Are you doing my diary for me? Put my stickers on my diary for me. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
يا نور الهلال أقبل تعال فالشوق طال مثل الذين حملوا التوراة ثم لم يحملوها كمثل الحمار